Hey my friends, welcome back. Today we're doing another unboxing and we're checking out some damaged or stripped screw extractors. So these are, I've seen these on TV and I've never used one before, but I will be doing a demonstration and review video after I finish this unboxing. So I actually just assembled a bed and one of the screws broke off, and it's like, if you've done that before, there's almost no way to get it out. These things. So here we go. So this has a little card here and explains how to get inside there. So when the screw is broken off there, it has, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. It has 10 drill bits, little drills, and these, I'll show you guys these if I can get close up maybe. They have a little drill function on there with a hexagon 2, 4, 6, yes, adapter there, so you can put it into this socket and then put it in your drill into the screw, and then once you've made a hole, you can use these second ones. I'll use the biggest one so you guys can see, and this goes in reverse into the screw and unscrews it, hopefully. So these are supposed to be made out of hardened steel and a little bit tougher. And what this comes with, this comes with 10 of each, and they're just progressively bigger. So, like I say, it comes with this nice little case. It has a little adapter here. This one's for the smaller bits, and then it comes with this also. And this has a nice magnetic part in there. Let me see. There's a magnet in there, so it's kind of nice. So if it holds it in there, if it doesn't fall out or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. So that's it. It comes with this nice little case as well. It can snap down, and then it's got a little thing there. You can hang it up on your workbench or whatever. So pretty handy to have, definitely. I've broken off several screws before, and it's normally been, well, I can't really do anything, maybe cover it up or pound it in or something, to get rid of it so it doesn't show. But I'm going to be definitely trying this out on the one I broke off in the bed, and we'll show you how these work. So that's about it for the unboxing video. If you guys want to check this out, it runs about $14 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. And when I do finish that on review video and demonstration of this product, I will leave that link in the description below as well. We'll see how well they work. That's about it for this unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching, my friends, and we'll see you next time.